to Zenara meditations. Tonight, you will enter a deep state of relaxation and open the doorway to healing and manifestation. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. With each breath, you are letting go of the day. Inhale deeply for 4. Exhale slowly for 6. With every breath, feel your body becoming lighter. Inhale, light. Exhale, tension. Inhale, peace. Exhale, stress. Imagine a soft, golden light above your head, flowing down through your crown into your mind. This light clears away all worries. It fills your chest, your heart, with warmth and healing. Feel the light moving down your arms, into your hands, filling them with energy. Now, the golden light flows through your stomach, healing every organ, every cell. Down through your legs, into your feet, grounding you in peace. You are surrounded by infinite energy. This energy responds to your thoughts, your intentions. Now, visualize the life you desire. See it clearly, as if it already exists. Feel the joy, the freedom, the abundance. It is already yours. I am healing. I am whole. I am whole.
I am the creator of my reality. I am the creator of my reality. I attract abundance and love into my life. I attract abundance and love into my life. I am pure energy, limitless and free. I am pure energy, limitless and free. I am safe.
Take one more deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your heart filled with light. Carry this energy with you into your life. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. You are whole. You are powerful. You are free. Thank you for joining Zenara meditation.